Hello YouTube, it's Kenyana here and I'm back with another video. So if you guys have been following along, you know that I've been starting this series where I go over the steps to perfecting your makeup routine. The most important step to your makeup routine is your skincare, you guys. You have to start with skincare, and today I'll be just going over my steps with you guys and just showing y'all how I do my skincare before I do my makeup. I will be adding each video of this series into its own separate playlist. So let's get started. I've briefly talked about La Roche-Posay. This is one of the best drugstore slash prestige face washes that I've used. Honestly, it really pulls out all that oil and gets into every crevice. Like, I don't play about that La Roche, babe. Y'all, I'm obsessed with Aquaphor. Like, it's been my holy grail. And it's also great for skin barrier healing if you want to put it all over your face. It's amazing for moisture in general. Next, I'm using this tretinoin for hyperpigmentation purposes only. I don't know why a lot of people use it, but I feel like it's something that should be recommended by your dermatologist, and it's something that could either really help your skin barrier or absolutely ruin it, from what I've heard from different people's experiences. But it actually helps me out a lot, especially paired with a good oil and moisturizer. I just make sure that I blend it in properly and add a bunch of sunscreen. Next, I'm using this Kiehl's facial essence, which also helps with the skin barrier and just adding in moisture to your face without making everything just so oily. Nearly all of my skincare, you'll see me rubbing it in my hands as well. And because tretinoin can be very drying to the face, I love to use a super hydrating facial mask like at least once a week, and making sure that just because I'm oily, I don't neglect a hydration process, because it's winter and my face will feel so dry. It will feel like I could just touch it and my skin will be crusted off into oblivion. And now I just wait about 15 minutes and make a coffee, and I come back to remove it, and just look at how beautiful my skin barrier is. Like, it is so moisturized, and I just take this time to rub it all in. I just spend some time massaging my face, getting some blood circulation going, and just rubbing in all this hydrating mask. This was honestly when I made the decision that I wasn't going to wear makeup today. I really love using an ice roller. Not only does it just wake me up for the day, it really just makes my skin feel so much better. It makes it hydrated for a lot longer. Like, my face usually just has a glow all day after I use this thing. This neck technique is what I picked up from the models of the internet. Like, this paired with that ice roller gets you right every single time. Like, you really, all you need is what God gave you, babe, and you will be snatched to the gods. It's also great for blood circulation. Next, I use an oil-free moisturizer. I love this one from Neutrogena because it also has sunscreen in it, and I just rub this in as well. It usually does have a white cast, but I usually pair it with another moisturizer just to combat that, and I also will add an oil on top. I love this water-based moisturizer that I got from like TJ Maxx, I think. It's great. And I just rub it all in. I also wait a minute between each product application. I don't think I said that, but look at the glow from each product. Next, I just like to use this bio oil and use it to seal in every product that I put in before. My face be so glowy all day. Like, this is how I look once I get done doing my full face routine. I'm glowing, babe. I also get so many compliments on my skin just like this. Here's my attempted trip out. But this is just a quick little video I wanted to put up. I thank you everyone for watching and following along with me. If you have any questions, you can drop them below, and don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Bye.